Popular Ghanaian musician Shatta Wale, who was detained in an investigation linked to the purchase of his luxury car, has been granted bail, the Ghanaian authorities revealed. Recall that earlier this month, Shatta Wale's Lamborghini was held or seized rather following the request of the United States Department of Justice and the FBI. According to them, the luxury car, which is a 2019 yellow Lamborghini Urus, was linked to crimes by a certain Nana Amua, who is currently serving a 7-year jail term in the United States. They said that the car was from the proceeds of this crime. However, Shatta Wale said that he was a third party owner of the $150,000 car and did not know who shipped it into Ghana. Now, this crime in question is a $4 million crime, the one where Nana Amoa is jailed for. And so investigations are still ongoing. It's interesting to know that Wale's team did not expressly state the US allegations in their statement. However, they said Wale was detained over tax offenses. So we'll see how that goes. Shatta Wale's wife has stood by him and said that everything he has is by his hard work. Everything he has was earned by his hard work. So we'll see how this story unfolds. I remain Esther Salami. Make sure to like this video, share it with your community, and I will see you another time.